Hello everybody, this is Doug from Watching Gadget here with another how to connect video. In this video we're going to be talking about the i9s and how to connect them to your Apple phone and your Android phone for the first time. Okay, here we go. First thing you're going to do is to cut them on and pair them, which is pretty easy. Just smash and hold the button till they say power on, or to both lights start blinking, and then wait for them to say connected, and then one light to stop blinking. That means they're paired together. And once they're paired together, go to your Android phone, Bluetooth settings, cut it on, and then go for search device. There they are, i9s. Click it, and now you're connected. And now for the iPhone users, go into your Bluetooth settings, power it on, search new device right here, i9s, click them, and now you're connected. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you got any comments, leave them down below. I'll leave the links where to buy the i9s from Watching Gadget, and all other applicable links I'll leave down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.